All right, it's our last essay to submit, and I just wanted to give you directions. So in your This I Believe folder, you will see a discussion that says This I Believe Final. When you click on that, it gives you directions. After you edit, please spell check, copy and paste your completed This I Believe essay here. If you would like, record yourself as if you were on the This I Believe radio broadcast. So what I did is I went to where my essay is and I copied it, and then I went back and pasted it. Now you'll notice the font is pretty large, so I can hit Control A and I can change it. 14 is good. It's different than Google Doc, so 14 is good, okay? Guess what? You also have spell check here. So you can spell check one more time for me, which would be great. Now, if you would like, you have the option to record yourself. So what I did is I pressed record and I did audio only. And once I did that, I scrolled down to start recording. Now, I can't read my essay like this, so I'm going to click start recording, and I'm going to go back to where my essay is, and I'm going to read it. Once I know I've finished my essay, I'm going to click stop recording. Now, if I messed up and I don't like it, I can click the X and I can go and record again. Okay, audio only, I can start recording, and then I can click on the tab that has my essay and I can read it. When I'm finished, I can stop recording. When I know that my audio is good, I can click on Insert Recording, and it will do just that. It will insert my recording, and I can press Post. You'll notice my essay is down here, and you'll notice that if you click on here, you will hear my audio of my essay. Okay, have fun with it, and good luck.